Making homemade apple pie. Step 1 would be shaving off the apple skin. I would suggest getting more than just a couple apples so you would have enough apple slices in your pie. Then you're going to want to carve out the pit and get all the seeds out and cut them and put them in the bowl. Next, when you get all the apple slices in the bowl, you're going to want to put 3 teacups full of sugar in there, and you're also going to want to put some ground cinnamon in there. After that, you're going to stir the apples all around, make sure all that stuff's on there, and that's going to be the outcome. Onto the dough, I'm putting an unknown substance into this bowl right now. I had no idea what it was. I think it was flour. Now we're grating off some butter into the bowl. This is what it looks like, and we're gonna stir for a little bit. Put 3 teaspoons of water into the bowl to get all that stuff from the bottom. Make it easier for it to put into a ball like this. That's the outcome of the ball. Now we're putting the dough into flour to get it all stirring and sturdy. Now we're gonna cut it in half and start rolling it out and changing sides to make it all rounded and nice and neat. The next step is going to be putting the dough into the deep dish pan. My grandma was helping me here because I thought I was gonna break the dough. So thanks to my grandma, shout out to Grams. The next step is putting the dough sides together, basically getting it off the side of the pan in a nice neater spot, and then we're gonna make some fork holes inside the dough for an unknown reason. I'm just doing it. And now we're gonna be putting the apples into the dough. Now I spread them apart so it doesn't look like I have a big clump in the middle, so it actually looks professional. And basically my grandma was telling me to get all the apples off the side, which I did. Now we're gonna start making the top dough, and that's basically just same process as the last one. Now I'm gonna try to get all the apples off the side, get all the dough inside the pan, and then we're gonna do this little fork thingy to the sides to make it look like a professional pie. And then we're gonna put some milk on the top to make it look shiny. And then we're gonna do some ground cinnamon for the top for the actual little click. And then we're gonna put the preheat oven for 360, put it in, and this final results after an hour is this.